Looking for a delicious low-carb breakfast that is perfect for managing insulin resistance? Well, today we are making a crustless pizza quiche. It's an easy, cheesy, one-pan recipe that satisfies all your pizza cravings while keeping your blood sugar stable. So let's get started. Hi, I'm Ryan, aka your keto cousin, and I am here to help you navigate metabolic health with simple, delicious recipes. So if you're managing insulin resistance, this quiche is packed with protein and healthy fats to keep you full and energized without spiking your blood sugar. So for this recipe, you're going to need 8 large eggs, some heavy whipping cream, some Italian sausage, some pepperoni, some mozzarella cheese, a little pizza sauce, and then some seasonings and spices to taste, okay? You're gonna wanna preheat your oven to 500 degrees, really broiling it. And you're gonna need to spray a cast iron skillet with cooking spray and put it over medium-low heat. So in this bowl, I'm going to beat together the 8 eggs, and we're gonna add half a cup of heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna add some salt, garlic powder, and a little oregano. On our pan here, we are going to melt some mozzarella cheese. So we're gonna put a layer on the bottom, and we're simply going to pour this on top. I'm gonna let this kind of melt down a little bit first. Okay, we're gonna pour this mixture over the top, and we're gonna let it set up. About 7 to 10 minutes it's going to take for it to set up. So it has set up nicely in the center. So now we can add our toppings. We're going to add some of our pizza sauce. I'm just using a jarred sauce here, and we're gonna drizzle that on. It smells so good. And the reason why we set it up first is so that all the sauce and all of the meat doesn't just sink to the bottom. So about half a cup of sauce is going on here. All right, and then I'm gonna just put on some sausage. So I'm using this no sugar added Peterson Farm sausage. It's really quite delicious. And it's about 4 ounces of this that I'm using. I did brown it up in a pan first, but it does come fully cooked. And then we're going to add our pepperoni. We've got some sliced pepperoni here. Okay, and then we'll top it with the cheese, the remaining cheese. Super easy to make, comes together very quickly. Okay, so we're gonna pop this in the oven. It's on broil, so we wanna keep our eye on it. It should take about 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes max. Okay, so let's put that in there. All right, we're gonna pop it out of the oven. All right, so there you have it. So when it's done, you wanna let the quiche rest for about 5 minutes before slicing and serving. This dish is great for meal prep. It stores in the fridge for up to 4 days, and it freezes beautifully for up to 3 months. You can just reheat and enjoy. All right, so let's dig in. I'm gonna just go around the edges, loosen it up a bit. It needs a couple more minutes to sit, but I'm feeling so impatient. All right, look at that cheesy goodness. Let's give it a taste. So good. I'm thinking add some basil next time, some fresh basil. I'm just so glad my breakfast is ready for the week. I won't have to cook. So if you're loving this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Let me know in the comments how your quiche turned out and what toppings you'd like to try next. For more keto-friendly recipes, check out my playlist and grab Metabolic Mastery. It's my guide and journal. It's linked below. So until next time.